Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to pause updates or Windows updates on your Windows 10 system. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in update. One of the best results should say check for updates. Go ahead and select that. And then on this page, you want to select where it says pause updates, and then it's been paused for 7 days. And that's about as far out as you can actually pause the updates. But if you select advanced options, you can then scroll down and then click the drop down and schedule it out even further. You can go a little over a month out, or I guess I should say up to 35 days. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.